How to disable Truecaller Popup after call. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to disable Truecaller Popup after call. Truecaller pop-ups that show up after every call. You know, the ones they take over your screen and can be disruptive, especially if you're in the middle of something important. So to disable Truecaller Popup after call, first open the Truecaller app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap Settings option in the menu that pops up. Within the Settings menu, tap Calls. Scroll down a bit until you see the option for Show After Call Details. You'll see a toggle switch next to Hide for phone book contacts. Simply turn this switch on to disable the pop-ups after each call. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Truecaller pop-ups after calls. No more interruptions or distractions. Remember, if you ever want to re-enable the pop-ups, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back off. It's as easy as that. With these simple steps, you can easily disable Truecaller pop-up after call. With those pop-ups disabled, you can finally enjoy a smoother calling experience. And this is how to disable Truecaller Popup after call. If you have any questions about disabling Truecaller Popup after call, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.